Namaskar. Let's discuss an Ayurvedic powder today that is very popular in India as a laxative. It is Triphala powder, a traditional herbal remedy. Triphala means three fruits. It is a special mixture of three dried fruits: Amalaki, Bibhitaki, and Haritaki. That is Amla, Berda, and Herde. Today we are going to understand two aspects. First, benefits of Triphala powder. Second, we will see how and when we should consume it. Let's first begin with the benefits. Firstly, Triphala greatly supports your digestive health by stimulating digestive fire or Agni. It helps improve digestion and the absorption of essential nutrients. Second, constipation relief. If you are tired of dealing with constipation and uncomfortable bowel movements, Triphala is a very good laxative. It is gentle on your digestive system while effectively treating constipation and promoting regularity. Now, let's talk about detoxification. Triphala works wonders in flushing out toxins from your colon and supporting your liver's natural cleansing process. And a clean and detoxified body is always a healthy body. Fourth, weight management. If you are trying to lose weight, you can try Triphala powder. It is believed to boost metabolism and aid in healthy weight loss. Combined with a balanced diet and proper exercise for definitely better results. Fifth, skin health. Triphala is not just for internal use, it also benefits your skin too. Applying Triphala water or paste to your skin can help you to overcome various skin issues like acne, because Triphala has powerful antimicrobial and cleansing property. Next question is how and when you should take Triphala powder. You can mix half or 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder in warm water and drink it. The best time for taking Triphala is half an hour before bedtime, since Triphala works on gastrointestinal system and helps in natural elimination process next day morning. For weight loss, you may take 1 teaspoonful of Triphala powder twice a day. This should be taken after your food with a cup of water. There are some people who would like to take this early in the morning on an empty stomach. You have to find out for yourself and know what works best for you as per your needs. But don't take Triphala powder for more than 3 months continuously. One more thing, if you are using it as a laxative, then don't take it for more than a week. So you know that Triphala powder is good for digestive health, detoxification, weight management, and skin benefits. The best thing about Triphala powder is that it is totally free from any artificial chemicals. Mother Nature has provided us with this multiple benefits in the form of 3 fruits, and that is Triphala powder. Namaskar.